Kamusta mga kamoteng alien? Welcome back sa channel. Ako, si Kuyang Kamoteng Paldo at sobrang saya kong makita kayo dito. Kung bago ka lang, welcome sa ating community. Ngayong araw, magre-react tayo sa isang video na siguradong magpapasaya sa atin. Pero bago tayo magsimula, nais ko munang magpasalamat sa lahat ng suporta ninyo. Ang bawat comment, like at share ninyo ay malaking inspirasyon para sa akin. Salamat sa walang sawang suporta. Kung magustuhan ninyo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang i-like at i-subscribe ang channel para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang videos natin. I-click din ang bell icon para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag may bagong upload. Tara, simulan na natin ang reaction video sa bagong awit ng BINI na Blink Twice. Tingnan natin kung kami maiiyak, mamamangha, mapapasayaw, mapapaawit, mai-inlove, matatakot, matatawa, o di kaya magagalit. Kaya abangan.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense.
Whoa! Whoa!
Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. But let's have some fun with it, 'cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe I don't.
Whoa! Whoa!
Little spice. If you're tryna roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby. No, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me. Yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at the spot, baby. Tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside
Whoa! Whoa!
your world. You got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice.
Whoa! Whoa!
If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even
Whoa! Whoa!
thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Kamusta uli mga kakamote? Ang music video ay napaka-vibrant at puno ng buhay. Napansin ko agad ang creative na paggamit ng mga ilaw, makukulay na backdrop at dynamic na camera angles na talaga namang nagdadala ng tamang energy para sa kanta. Talagang napaka-polish ng production tungkol sa outfits nila. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang bawat kasuotan ay modern at stylish, bagay na bagay sa tema ng kanta. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang kanilang choreography. Super synchronized at puno ng energy. Makikita mo talaga ang husay at dedikasyon ng bawat miyembro sa bawat galaw. Para sa performance, habang pinapakinggan ng kanta, ramdam mo ang positive vibes at empowerment na dala ng lyrics. Parang paalala ito sa atin na maging alerto at huwag palampasin ang mga oportunidad sa buhay, mag-blink twice na parang sinasabi ng kanta. Ang bawat performance ay puno ng passion at self-confidence na talaga namang nakaka-inspire. Sa kabuuan, ang Blink Twice ng BINI ay hindi lang basta isang music video. Ito ay isang celebration ng creativity, teamwork, at positivity. Overall, is it a yes? Or ano? Wow! Siyempre, yes na yes tayo dyan. Ano sa inyo ang paborito ninyong parte ng video? I-share nyo naman sa comments. Huwag kalimutang i-like at i-share ang video kung nagustuhan ninyo. Hanggang sa muli, mga kakamote. Salamat!